we go. We're cleaning up the junkyard for the winter, boys. So I got the four-wheeler with the plow, and I'm going to try and move some of this tin here. We'll see how this works. Access road down for here, so when in the springtime, when we start hauling in lawnmowers to part them out and fix them and sell them, we can back the truck right down here, and what we're gonna have up and around this corner here, which I'll show you in a minute, we're gonna have sort of the spot where to park them, and then there's an old car in the corner there that's going to get stripped down and taken in for parts, scrap, and the one behind you as well. I'll show you guys them in a minute, but let's try and keep moving this tin. I'm going to say right now, this blade is shot anyway, so I got to find a newer one anyways, but this whole blade works for bulldozing and leveling dirt and stuff, and then next spring we'll get a couple loads of sand in here. I'll get this all cleaned up, and I gotta get the fire pit and a little strap out of here this week sometime. Grab the tripod here. Anyways, here's one of the cars that we gotta haul in for scrap once we power it out. Reason why this one's here, it's got a smashed up front end, so, and I own one of these Focuses, so I need some parts for it, so I'm gonna get those done. And then there is another Focus I have, and I don't know if I'll ever get this one running again. It has some electrical issues. But for sure, I'll just part it out and get rid of it. It's got a good set of doors and stuff on it, so I might keep the good set of front doors because mine have some rust on them. Let's go ahead. Go ahead and move. Move on. So you can see with the tin gone. See with the tin gone? This is going to be a lot nicer. So I got to get rid of some of this junk. I got to get that riding mower moved. It's one of the good ones, so I might just park them, all my good ones here for the winter time and throw a big tarp over them. But I gotta clean that out, and I gotta get that skidoo trailer in there, pulled out, and I gotta weld some cross beams. And that boat, I gave it away, and then now with that tin moved, I'll be able to just backtrack it. Alright, cleaned up, and I gotta get my little burn pit rebuilt, and then I got some burning to do. Build it there somewhere. Right in there somewhere. We'll see. We can bring that old chair too. Today's actually a calm day, so maybe I'll do some burning today if I can get a burn pit built. Scores. The reason why I want to keep these front windows is they're tinted. So that car's sort of storage right now. So geez, we'll move this and set it up back here or something like that, and show you just pushing some of this dirt back, and we'll clean it up here. So let me set up the old tripod. So go ahead and start cleaning this up a bit. I'll be right with you. That's a score. Hopefully I can get that working again. It's an old oil can. Must have came in a bucket strap or something that got spilled. Because, well, I broke my ankle back here, so yeah. We'll fire that in there and maybe we'll get it working in the shop. Maybe I'll do a how-to video how to clean that now. You guys see a lot of cars and cuts through it. Just realized I'm learning how to edit. We'll get it off soon here. But like I say, this might be a boring video, but we're just cleaning up the junkyard. I'll show you what we're doing right now. There's I scraped the old trailer back there that's full of bottles that needs to be cleaned out and taken as well. Get that boat out of here in the next week or two and clean some of this up here, and I'd be able to put push mowers over here as well as keep stacking my firewood. But let's go ahead and we're gonna maybe try and clean up some stuff over there in the file here. I bet you that John Deere will not start. So I'm going to have to boost it. It's got a YouTube. But again, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Hey, let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see.